All right. Since my weekend went kind of skewed, what the hell is this? Going all goofy on me. See how goofy it's really gone. All right, that's the replacement battery. I don't know what's going on with this meter. All right, that's the replacement battery. Apparently it's 15.7 volts. A little high. But I was told when I traded in my other battery, the one that was leaking, let this one sit for a little while. And I was also told maybe, put a little epoxy along the seams here. It's like, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix up some epoxy and do exactly that. I'm just going to put it right along the bottom here, and get this thing all figured out and get it into the bike. It is an EPYTZ14S-BS. BS means bottle solution, get your head out of the gutter. Okay, so apparently I also noticed these look different. Interesting. Oh, yeah, these definitely look different. I think this is probably more traditional. Oh, well. All right, if this one starts leaking, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and I'm going to get me one of those pre-factory sealed ones where you never know how long it's been sitting there, sitting on a shelf, waiting for somebody to come along and buy it. It could have been there for 3.5 years, and it's got 6 months left on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to seal this up. I'm going to, that right there and that right there, those little holes are nothing more than vents. So if the Silverwing starts cooking this battery, and it shouldn't, it's got a brand new voltage regulator in it. Well, not brand new, but it's got a newer voltage regulator in it and a new stator, so it shouldn't cook. Yes, I am struck with the idea that I shouldn't have to do that at all with an AGM. Alright, it is what it is. And quite frankly, what probably happened was I got that one unit, that one battery out of 100 million. That was a bad one right from the factory, where where somebody from the office was talking to the QC guy and they made a date or something, and that one sneaked by without being caught. Hopefully this one did better. The numbers on that: FD210105. I'm assuming that's a build date. 2021, January 5th. It was shipped on June 2021, so it could be. Alright, let's get this all sealed up, except for these two, and then we'll go from there. Alright, it's 57 minutes later. Bugs are enjoying it. And see, go figure that. Yeah. And it's tacky. So I'm gonna let that cure overnight. It's not like the Silverwing has to go anywhere. This is more of a I want to get it done type of thing. Huh. Yeah, you're not going to be able to sand that. It's about 57 minutes into the curing process. I thought that perhaps a half-hour curing process was a bit ridiculous, but I seem to be proven right. Alright, but yeah, I'm going to let that cure overnight, and I'll see what we got tomorrow morning. So that should be all hardened and back to normal, and then I'll just take a Sharpie over everything and just black it all out. So that's where we're at right now.